Good day, dear viewers. Now our team will share with you a review of the application from 1xBet. We will show you how to register correctly, download the application and enter the promotional code for current year 2021, which will give 130% on the deposit. You will find the link below under the video, where we also leave the promotional code so that you can copy it and specify it during registration. Go onto the official website of the 1xBet offshore bookmaker, you will see the predominance of blue and white colors. The green buttons are very conveniently located and stand out softly, but do not interfere with the overall concept of the site. At the top of the screen is a banner in which you can see bets on future sports events and bonus programs. And in the upper right corner, we see the opportunity to register, and below the menu, in which we see buttons for switching to lines, live, games, and even a casino, and of course search. In the center, we see a list of top live events with events that are already underway. Below will be the top lines, and there will be the games and casinos. And below there is a button, Mobile Applications. Our team recommends that you first register on the portal and only then download the application, solely for your convenience. Now let's move on to registration. As you have already seen, the button is at the top right. By clicking on the registration button, we are immediately offered 4 options for how we can register. We recommend that you register by mail. It is more difficult and longer here than in the others. You enter your country, region, city in which you live, and only then select the currency. Then enter your mail, phone number, your first and last name, and most importantly, enter the password. And the last point remains binding the 21CAF promo code that you now see on the screen, as well as your constant choice, you need a casino or sports bonus. We also remind you that the bookmaker reserves the right to refuse to receive a bonus without explanation. And an important clarification, the bonus is activated only after you fill your deposit in any way convenient for you, and then you receive 130% of the bonus depending on your amount. And in addition to your chosen sports or casino bonus, a bonus of 150 free spins and up to 1,500 euros of a deposit. After registration, you need to go down on the main page and now press the familiar Mobile Applications button. Now you need to choose an application for Android or iPhone. Then you give permission to install applications from unknown sources and wait 1-2 minutes. After that, you can freely use the application. The font and colors of the application are selected in accordance with the corporate style of the bookmaker. The application's capabilities are not inferior to the classic version. The user has access to line live events. There is access to online games. The line of bets is painted in detail and is completely duplicated from the site. In the settings, the user can adapt the application for himself. For example, enable the dark theme, night mode, enable two-factor authentication or fingerprint lock. The application does not slow down, it works stably and without crashes. Weak computers sometimes freeze when loading the web version, and the resources of a smartphone are usually sufficient to provide a comfortable work with applications. After refilling your deposit and receiving bonus interest, you can place bets on any events or spin free spins in the casino and hit the jackpot on slots. We thank you for watching our video. Write a review in the comments, whether you managed to get bonuses or not. We will definitely respond to your comments. Wish you big wins and quick payouts.